EU AB 3,100 and second engineer 5,200 euros net plus Italian social security to embark. As you know, Italian flag has these limitations of bureaucracy, same as the French, the Belgian, the Spanish, all of the European flags. Yes, well, the most important one is that they don't allow certificates from other countries. But now, with regard to the 3,100 euro Italian flag, please apply urgently because we need about 100, 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 9 10 100 ABs Europeans, and the language on board is Italian. So if you are from Romania, Greek, and speak Italian, and you are Spanish, Portuguese, French, tu parles un peu d'italien, c'est très bon, merci beaucoup, and Deutsch, sprechen Sie Italianen, good, basic, not required professional language, just is a basic safety manual, enclosed is the manual. Then you need to have the Codice Fiscale and also apply urgently. As you know, this summer is exceptional. We know the European leaders are really training everybody in Europe to generate 4 million jobs for seafarers. That's a joke. That's a joke. Yeah, it's a job, but also a joke, isn't it? And so then it is a huge opportunity because we used to have a lot of Filipinos, about 1 million, covering these jobs of $1,900 non-dom, but the DOMs never got the job because there's not any anti-government, you know, it's just like chicken no head running all directions. They don't have a maritime strategic. I did put a video about all these heroes. But anyway, if you are one of those ABs, apply urgently. Second engineer, we know it's really impossible, 5,200 euros plus social security, but still my obligation is to make the video and smile. So really, apply urgently, like and subscribe if you are a Polish, a Latvian, Estonian, Lithuanian, and you want the really nice weather, Italian flag, smiling people, Southern Europe, Mediterranean culture, and food. Italian food is the best in the planet. Apply urgently. Thank you. Bye.